these are numbers and counters. I'm going to, yes, so first I'm going to take the numbers out. Here we go. Okay. This is? How about this? How about this? How about this?
8. 5. 4. 9.
6 has its circle at the bottom, so it's 6.
1. 3.
I can hear 3.
2.
So now we're going to space it out. And we're going to do the counters and we're going to focus on something else. Does that look nice?
Yeah.
Is it neat? Okay. It's neat, not meat. Neat. 1. 1, 2.
3.
Hold on. We have to all say the same thing or we have to watch. So let's relax a little bit. This was 3, so 1, 2, and 3. So we are always going left to right and only 2 on the top row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Are you okay? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next one goes, there's an empty spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is how the number looks, but this is your quantity. This is how much 7 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sit on the edge and focus, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's only 2 on each row, no more than 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and that's it. And this is empty, empty. Now I want you to carefully look at all these numbers. Each one of these rows have only 2 counters, and the next one begins there. Now if you look at here, this is just 1. This one there's 2, and it has a friend, or it has a matching one, so it's a pair. Over here something is missing here. So when a number is like this and it doesn't have a partner here or a friend here, it's called an odd number. 1 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number. 7, 8, 9. How about these? Excuse me. This is even. Even. Because there is a number beside it. This one too, there's no one alone. There's no counter alone. This is an even number. 6 is an even number. 8 is an even number. Even number. So, I'm going to point to something and you're going to say odd or even. Ready? Odd, yes. How about, is this an odd number? It's an even number. Can you say that word? Even number. Because no counter is left alone. Every one of it has a partner, has a friend. It's an even number. So if I was to give 2 children something that if I had 8, I can evenly give them 4 and 4. I can distribute it evenly. Okay? Now, once you do that, if you would like to, we do have the folder. You can also color. This is where you write the number. I'm just going to write that for 1 and show it to you. You write 1 on the top. Oops, I need a writing pencil. 1. And this is an odd number or an even number?
Odd.
It's odd. So, A, D, and D. 2 Ds. Odd.
Odd.
We will dot that for you. What color would I use to color this dotting?
Red.
Can you move to the edge of the rug, please? Thank you. So, when we are coloring a circle and this is pretty small, it's nice to go in circles. That way you will stay inside the shape. So, I'm just going to do this. Can you see that? Of course you can. Right, right. But you can take your time. You don't need to do it that way. And I'm going to do 1 even number and then you can follow up later. So this is 2 and even. Who would like to finish this? So after we have snack, we can choose one of you. You can finish this for us. Oh, I only need one person, darling. So once you finish coloring, do we leave the work like this? No, we have to put it back in. All right, now we can do our calendar.